I need you to hit subscribe because I have hopes and dreams. It has been a year since I've posted a video, and it is an absolute pleasure to be back. Today we're going to be watching some off-road fails, wins, and analyzing whether it was skill or luck or bad skill or bad luck. I also want to say I am not getting paid to say this, but First Form supplements are the absolute highest quality supplements on the market. They're going to make you feel a lot better. And I do hope one day to get paid from it. If you do want to check out their stuff, there's a link down in the description below. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, I've seen this clip. That's a rough one. It is crazy the way people just yard sale side by sides. I'm going to classify that one as... it was a full send, but I'm going to say that that was bad skill because he stayed in the throttle. You can't just hit a jump going full throttle and not expect the suspension to push off and push you over. So these guys are badass.
Come on down, passenger, passenger. Oh, no.
That's not a good clip. He looked like he tensed up. You could argue bad luck. But I'm going to say that that was a lack of skill. He should have just driven out of it.
God, oh my God. He's fine. He's okay. He's fine.
He's good.
That one I'm absolutely going to say was a lack of skill. He should have let out of the throttle, felt it a little bit more, and proceeded, but instead he stayed in the throttle and rolled the machine down the hill. This is going to be badass. With the bush, it looked like he had a bush apple in his hand. So that one would appear like it was a lack of skill and he should have driven out of it. But I'm gonna call that bad luck. It sounded like the rig shut off, and I think he would have driven out of it. I mean, that was a full send from the start, so I don't see why he wouldn't have just throttled right out of it. But I'm gonna call that one bad luck.
Are you okay?
Oh, but he's stoked. That's hilarious. I love it. These guys are fired up. That was absolutely a lack of skill, just like the RZR from the beginning. He should have let out. He should have either gotten the throttle harder going off the jump to control the gyro effect, or he should have not just been sending him over those. And it could have been a misjudgment, bad luck on forgetting the course, but from face value, it looks like a lack of skill. This is going to be good. A full send in the van. I mean, you could argue that that was good luck that he didn't roll over. But honestly, you've got to give the skill points to the full senders, because if they didn't have the sight to just see it all through, it would have never worked out anyway. So I'm going to give that one. That was all skill right there. Oh! Total full send. You got to give him brownie points. You got to give him brawler points. That's totally going to be a thing on this channel. You got to give him brawler points for the full send first and foremost. But that was bad skill. I love the mud videos. He's got an angry grill. You know this guy's wild. He was just getting rowdy, but I'm going to say a lack of skill. Wasn't focused. Rolled the thing over. Oh my. We got to watch that one back. Dude, that looks like AI. But no, that's total skill. Full send. Keeps the car under control. Races off into the sunset. That was badass. That was bad luck. That was bad luck right there. I'm not even gonna hate on that guy. That was he caught the stump or whatever and totaled the car.
Oh. Oh.
That was totally bad skill. There was no excuse for that. They were not trying to actually get the vehicle recovered safely. People off-road do that all the time. They just start hooking up recovery points and strapping up, and a lot of times it goes really poorly, and that's like a huge pet peeve of mine. I have a feeling he's about to roll this thing. Who would have thought? You know, seeing another one of those clips right now, I may argue that that's not a lack of skill, because it seems like in this type of racing, their whole thing is, it's like a drag race. So I may stand corrected. Is that the G-Wagon? Oh, lack of skill. Lack of skill, and he totals it. That's rough. Yeah, he just probably froze up. He needed to grab reverse and drive out of that thing, and he didn't do it, but maybe he'll learn his lesson, maybe he won't. That sucks. Yeah. That's right. Because I'm an extreme sports guy, I'm going to say that bike going off the cliff is bad luck, because I get it. You're out there, you're having a good time. That sucks. I don't care. That's all skill. Stayed in it. To quote Matt Myrick, you made it when you stayed in it. That's all skill. Oh, if he makes this. Oh, he's got the KM3s too. I love those tires. You know, that was a little combination of luck and skill. I commend him for staying in it and not rolling the thing off the back or rolling over backwards. It's a good looking Jeep too, but that was a little bit of both. All right, now this is the baddest mud truck on the planet. I don't care about King Sling. Well, I do. I care about King Sling and Dirt Boss, but this truck on a set of cut 44 boggers is one of the nastiest trucks. We're going to do a separate video on it, but check out this clip. Skimming. Oh. Dude, that truck is one of my favorite 4x4s of all time. It is so cool to watch that guy. Absolutely 1000% all skill. That guy is the Jason Shear of mud bogging. He knows everything about his rig, and that is his therapy. He doesn't go out there to party. He goes out there to rig. That is some brawler shit. That gets a brawler token. I'm making this shit up as we go, but that is our brawler clip of the video. That gets the brawler token. But yeah, guys, thank you for sticking around. If you can, drop a like, subscribe, and somewhere in the video, I'm not sure yet because I'm still new to this, there's going to be a link to some of my other content. Definitely check it out, and I'll see you next time.